commentsection.com. Today I'm going to introduce you to the solar system. The sun, the moon, and the brightest objects were visible to the naked eyes of ancient astronomers, who used calculations to determine their movements, and this gave rise to the science of astronomy. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and of other objects orbiting around it, which consists of 8 major objects divided into 2. They are called the terrestrial and Jovian planets, commonly known as the inner and outer planets. We have 4 terrestrial planets and 4 Jovian planets. The terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. From the Sun to Neptune, the solar system is flat. So Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and a year on Mercury is 88 days because it spins very fast. Venus is the hottest planet. Instead of rotating forward, it rotates backward on its axis, and sometimes referred to as Earth's twin sister. Earth is a unique planet which has a suitable climate for life. It is the 3rd planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that has life on it. Scientists believe that Mars once sustained life on it. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and it is very cold. It has 0.13% of oxygen and approximately 96% of carbon dioxide, which is not habitable for humans. The reason scientists believe that life existed on this planet is they see polar waters at the north and south poles of Mars. Jupiter is the biggest planet, the fastest rotating planet, the oldest planet, and it came first before any other planet. It is the planet that spins the fastest on its axis. So no wonder in a day it is 9 hours 55 minutes, way more lower than any day in the whole solar system. Saturn is known for its rings. It is the 2nd largest planet and has 7 different rings: ring A, ring B, ring C, ring D, ring E, ring F, and ring G. Saturn has over 65 moons, just like Jupiter, some which are discovered and some which are not discovered. Uranus is a planet which has 150 moons and 13 rings. It is an ice giant, just like Neptune, and it takes 84 years on Earth to complete a full revolution around the Sun. Neptune is another ice giant which has rings too. It's the coldest planet with temperatures dropping below -2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to rotate around the Sun. Since humans have discovered it, it has only finished one rotation, and that was in 2011. As time goes on, we will dive deeper into the solar system and explore the Sun and all the planets, including dwarf planets and constellations. Are you ready for today's fun fact? Let's go! Fact 1. Did you know that diamonds rain on Neptune? Find how diamonds rain on Neptune and write it in the comment section. Fact 2. Did you know that Pluto was considered a major planet, but in 2006 it was considered a dwarf planet? Fact 3. Did you know that scientists believe that the solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago? Fact 4. Did you know that the sun's surface is 5,500 degrees Celsius, but Did you also know that the sun's core is 15 billion degrees Celsius? What have you learned today apart from what we learned right now? Type what you learned in the comment section. See you soon and have a good day.